Hello， 大家好啊，諾亞前張有 Will 啊。早排咧有一班建築系嘅學生咧嚟咗我哋公司參觀同埋認識物料，咁我哋事不宜遲，去片。喂 ，hello， 你好，係。咁就歡迎大家，正方就係個室內及建築系嘅同學仔，大家可能有機會做建築師同埋室內設計師噶嘛，係嘛？啊，咁你就即係基本你有6大類型你要分得到咯。咁嗱，第一樣咧就係高溫磚同埋低溫磚啦。咁大家有冇聽過高溫磚同低溫磚，或者有冇任何嘅概念
？Eric，
我呢個
高溫磚同低溫磚，
我呢個 fit 碼嚟㗎。
高溫磚、低溫磚咁佢哋嘅級數咯，即係越高溫去燒咧，咁個高溫磚嘅密度高啊。嗰啲低溫磚燒嘅話，可能仲有啲氣同埋。
哦，俾啲掌聲啦嚇，都好勁啊，係啦。先阿 Eric 啊嘛，係咪？即係 Eric 咧就講，即係佢高溫磚同低溫磚咧係由唔同嘅溫度燒出嚟。咁但係佢由唔同嘅溫度咧，呢樣嘢唔係話淨係單一嘅因素決定佢係高溫磚定係低溫磚。當中嘅工序即係可能要控乾幾多次啊，或者佢壓機嘅壓力啊，同埋原料啊，同埋燒成嘅溫度啊、燒成嘅時間啊，都會影響佢係一高溫磚同埋低溫磚嘅因素嘅。呢個3塊咧都係比較紅色少少嘅，呢啲紅色少少一定係比較差啲㗎啦。咁塊磚佢點樣會變成紅色咧？啊，有兩個主要原因，一係咧佢本身個成分咧黏土咧紅黏土比較多啲，咁紅黏土咧佢係嗰個即係燒成之後咧個密度咧係唔會比嗰啲長石啊、高嶺土啊嗰啲會高嘅，咁所以呢塊磚咧燒出嚟咧，就算咩溫度都好啦，即係當然要放翻個配方啦，佢嗰個級數率一定係會比較高啲嘅，大家就可以去倒水試下啦，係啦。
哇！好快喎，一級就一仲未吸㗎，
呢個基本上都索晒。咁啊，嗱呢個最快咧，一定係中間呢塊㗎啦。咁中間呢塊咧係瓷片嚟嘅，吸水率咧係超過10%嘅，係啲陶質嘅磚嚟嘅。咁所以咧佢就即係個密度好低啦，同埋好脆嘅咁樣。
唔知大家咧有冇喺 Instagram 啦、好興啦睇過一啲片咧，就話this is not stone， 咁就攞住好大塊嘅一塊板咧喺度熬佢，咁佢竟然可以屈得嘅。
で粘土細工のように形を整えていくとこのように何でも作れるです。
咁呢啲物料咧，其實如果大家有去過一啲即係型格嘅 coffee shop 啦，或者可能 fashion 嘅店鋪，都係用緊呢啲物料啦。香港咧，其實嗰個 adoption 咧都相比起其他嘅市場咧都係比較慢，但係呢隻物料將會係喺未來有一個好大作為，咁所以尤其是阿 Will 佢哋啦，呢間公司諾亞瓷磚，咁就係國內呢間軟瓷嘅出產公司嘅香港嘅代理。呢個品牌咧係 exactly 係呢個產品，我哋叫 modified tape 軟瓷。係啦。呢個產品嘅發明嗰個人，今日真係非常之多謝阿 Will 嘅時間。咁多謝威 Sir 想俾機會啊，係唔好咁講。
Yeah, we really appreciate. Not only, I think Mike also mentioned spending much time from his business, but at the same time, like really well organized. I think it's just another kind of education. Actually, I think Williams really has the mind of kind of contributing and educating, and then the note is quite nice. Actually, really appreciate actually.
Okay.
This is a small token of appreciation.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
咁今次對於我嚟講咧，其實都係一個新嘅挑戰啦，一個新嘅體驗嚟嘅。咁其實成個過程咧，即係我都係又緊張又興奮啦。咁其實都係好有挑戰性，同埋我覺得好有意義嘅。所以如果係有大專院校或者係相關嘅教育機構咧，係想同我哋合作，或者大家係分享交流更加多嘅瓷磚嘅話咧，咁啊可以即係聯絡下我哋啊。咁就記住 subscribe 同埋 like 我哋嘅 channel 啦。下次見，拜拜。